Welcome back to Power Lunch, everybody. It's been a rough week for the Dow. The index pacing for its worst weekly performance since January, led by some heavy hitters on the downside. JP Morgan, Walgreens, Goldman Sachs, and Honeywell, to name a few. Are any of these dips worth buying? Let's ask your Trading Nation team today. Quint Tatro of Jewel Financial and Bill Baruch of Blue Line Capital. Welcome to both of you. Quint, who'd you pick from the Rebels? Probably too strong a word here.
Yeah, I think you got to go with the best bank in the world in JP Morgan. And I think, honestly, investors need to look at this more as an opportunity. These things have been on a tear this year. And if you had FOMO and you got caught up buying at the top, that's unfortunate. When reality is you got to be patient. Now you're getting the pullback. JP Morgan was trading well over 2 times book. That's way too rich. Now we're around 1.8. I think anywhere in here you start to nibble, pick up shares at JP Morgan. It's a bargain.
All right. That's a pretty clear call from Quint. Bill, what about you?
I do agree with him on JP Morgan. And I think financials through 2019 broke out of a down or a trend of underperformance. And that really, again, happened through 2019, the early part of 2020 before the pandemic. I like JP Morgan and I like American Express. But the problem here, I do think that 1.25% is in the cards here for the 10-year yield. And in the near term, that could weigh on the financials. But I think there's going to be a tremendous buying opportunity on weakness. What I like right here, right now, is IBM. IBM is not a darling in tech by any means, and it really gets kind of swept aside. But they've done some tremendous strides forward in the past couple of years for the cloud. And technically, it did break out of a near decade-long downtrend last week, although it did fail here through this week. Then there's really good value at 141, and even more value at 137 if you can get it down there. But not to mention a 4.5% dividend. This is a really great stock to own for the long term.
All right, so 2 votes for JP Morgan and 1 for IBM. Quint and Bill, thank you both.